First reading, Job chapter 38 verse 1, 12 to 21, to chapter 40 verse 3 to 5. Then from the heart of the tempest Yahweh gave Job his answer. He said, "Have you ever in your life given orders to the morning or sent the dawn to its post, to grasp the earth by its edges and shake the wicked out of it? She turns it as red as a clay seal, she tints it as though it were a dress, stealing the light from evildoers, and breaking the arm raised to strike. Have you been right down to the sources of the sea and walked about at the bottom of the abyss? Have you been shown the gates of death? Have you seen the janitors of the shadow dark as death? Have you an inkling of the extent of the earth? Tell me all about it if you have. Which is the way to the home of the light, and where does darkness live? You could then show them the way to their proper places, you could put them on the path home again. If you do know, you must have been born when they were, you must be very old by now." Job replied to Yahweh, "My words have been frivolous, what can I reply? I had better lay my hand over my mouth. I have spoken once, I shall not speak again, I have spoken twice, I have nothing more to say." Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 139 verse 1 to 3, 7 to 8, 9 to 10, 13 to 14. For the choirmaster of David's Psalm, Yahweh, you examine me and know me, you know when I sit, when I rise, you understand my thoughts from afar, you watch when I walk or lie down, you know every detail of my conduct. Where shall I go to escape your spirit? Where shall I flee from your presence? If I scale the heavens, you are there. If I lie flat in Sheol, there you are. If I speed away on the wings of the dawn. If I dwell beyond the ocean, even there your hand will be guiding me, your right hand holding me fast. You created my inmost self, knit me together in my mother's womb. For so many marvels I thank you, a wonder am I, and all your works are wonders. You knew me through and through. Gospel, Luke chapter 10 verse 13 to 16. Alas for you, Chorazin! Alas for you, Bethsaida! For if the miracles done in you had been done in Tyre and Sidon, they would have repented long ago, sitting in sackcloth and ashes. And still, it will be more bearable for Tyre and Sidon at the judgment than for you. And as for you, Capernaum, did you want to be raised high as heaven? You shall be flung down to hell. Anyone who listens to you listens to me. Anyone who rejects you rejects me, and those who reject me reject the one who sent me.